सो हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। हमने पहली क्लास में देखा था हम कैसे क्रिएट डेटाबेस करते हैं, कैसे हम क्रिएट टेबल करते हैं, कैसे हम इंसर्ट इनटू करते हैं। और मैंने आपको एक चीज़ नहीं बताई थी कि हम क्वेरी एग्जीक्यूट करने के लिए या तो कंट्रोल एंटर करते हैं या इस बटन पर क्लिक करते हैं। सो आज मैं आपको नए टाइप के जो है डेटा टाइप्स बताने वाला हूँ जो हम टेबल बनाते वक्त इस्तेमाल करते हैं। Now we are going to create a new table. For that, create table, let's say table T2. In that we are going to make one ID, order ID, let's say it is integer, and order date. Here we are giving date data type to this column, and order at, here we will give timestamp. So timestamp is like we are giving date and time together. So if we don't provide any timestamp, we can make it default current timestamp. So you can see, so if we don't provide any detail to this column, we will automatically get the current timestamp because we are using this constraint default, right? This is constraint and these are data types. Suppose we are going to put dates in this order date column, so we have to give a data type a date, right, according to our need. So we are going to execute this. Control plus enter. Okay, it says relation T2 already exists, so I have already created that table. Now I'm going to drop that table first. Drop table T2, which I made already. So now I'm going to drop it. Now you can see the query successful. Now we can make this new T2 table, right? So for that, control plus enter. Now successfully returned. Okay, now we are going to see what we made. Select all from T2 semicolon, control enter. Now you can see what we made. Order ID integer, order date, data type is date, and ordered at, the data type is timestamp, but we have added one constraint to it, right? I told you earlier. Now we are going to insert some data in it. Insert into T2. This is the standard how we put data in it, like order at, order date, and we will keep we will not add this one order at, because we have made it default, so it will automatically insert the data. I tell you how. Insert into T2 values. This is the standard, the way we put data inside the table. Order at, ordered, sorry, order ID, sorry, we have to keep it order ID. Now order ID, we, let's say order ID is 1, and date we have to put date in string format. So this is the year, let's say month, and a date. Okay, this is the order date. Now semicolon. So query return. Now we are checking what we inserted. Select all from T2. So let's see. So you can see, guys, integer order ID is 1, what we have given to it, order date, and created. So now you can see we did not put any data in third column order at, but we can see here some data available. So because of this default, we have added a constant default, so it will come automatically, right? we can see the date, today's date, and the time. That's how we make table with different data types. So after it, guys, I'm going to tell you how the drop command works. So drop command here, if we use drop command, then data will be gone permanently, right? I show you how we can drop things. Like we have to drop this table T2. So drop table, and you write T2 like this. Now the table is permanently gone. I show you. Select all from select all from T2. See, here we can see the error does not exist. Relation T2 does not exist because we have used a drop command. So our table gone permanently. You can see now that's how a drop command works. Now we are going to create this table again, and we are going to put this data again and see we have some data in it. Now I'm going to tell you how the alter command works. By using alter command, we can add column, drop column, and add some constraints. Many things we can do by using the alter command. The standard way is alter table uh, T2. Now we are going to add a column, add column, add column. Let's say column name will be name. Let's say it's name, and the data type will be varchar 20. Let's see what happens here. So we can see returned successfully, right? Now we are going to check what we made. Name. You can see we have created a new column name in our existing table. Now if you want to drop this column from table T2, now I show you how alter works. Alter table T2. Now here we have to drop column T2, drop column name. That's it. Now we have query returned successfully. Now we need to check it. So you can see the name column has gone. Now we can change the name of a column. I show you how. Alter table T2, rename column. The old column is order ID to new column ID. Let's see what happens. Control enter. Now again I tell you how we can see select all from T2. Now remember we have changed the name. So here you can see ID. Earlier it was order ID. Now we are seeing it like ID, right? So this way you can rename the column, you can drop the column, and you can you can add column, drop column, and rename column, right? We can do one more thing. We can change the data type, right? Earlier this was integer. We can see this is integer. Now I'm going to show you how we can change the data type. Alter table T2, um, alter column the column name ID, type, and keep it numeric, right? Numeric. Now return successfully. What what did I do? I alter table T2, alter column name, and the type directly. Type and numeric. Whatever the data type you want will be here. So this is the standard. We have to follow the standards. Now you can see numeric. Here you can see it is coming numeric. That's how we can uh, change the data type also. Now four things we have done by using alter command. In next video I will tell you more things about SQL basics. For now it is done. Thank you.